Hey guys, today we're going to do another airsoft video.
You can't see, they can't see that. Come.
This gun!
Don't forget your safety glasses.
Yeah. Although just like,
Because one with a bullet.
yeah.
It might crack.
Yeah, when I was at the airsoft place, a bullet hit me right here. Right here.
Did it crack though?
No.
Did it chip it or anything?
No.
Okay.
And another one hit me right here.
Okay.
And I had a mask on.
Okay, guys,
Okay,
let's get
but
to it. Look at my new Aquaman stuff I got. La.
I think that's too close. This Christmas, we're getting a new GoPro. Yep.
For me, because, I will
Yeah.
show for y'all. I just want it for my Lego channel that I'm making.
Okay, but can we
This
also
ain't
get
it.
for airsoft?
Yeah. I said,
Okay, so,
because there's a screen on the back and right there. Because the first time will be Christmas Day that I'm doing a video.
come on.
It'll probably be
Okay.
Venoms.
Okay, just get back. Just sit back. No, you're not going to get to see it because,
Oh, guys.
yeah,
Guys, if you don't see this, just wow. Oh, you see a little dent.
you see that? Hold on a second.
Do you see that dent, guys? And then in the bullet.
Yeah, see that? Okay, let's shoot it again.
This time I want to try it.
The sighting on this way off. Even my dad said it all. I want to do point blank. A real point blank. I just scoot back. This is a point blank. I've got shot with a baby before, so I'm okay with this. I got shot on a BB. It's a BB bare skin. That'll be okay if it hit. Oh, I see that bulge. And you see that?
Dent. That's locked.
Maybe not.
Oh,
Here's the BB. What? I don't think.
guys, this is a BB that you can just shot.
Guys, it's a smiley face.
Oh, show them that! Look, it's a smiley face, guys. I don't know why they're happy if they're getting shot.
And look, you see how that is smiley face?
He's getting
That one's
shot.
ghost face. Oh.
Oh! Guys, the BB's still stuck in there. Show them, Ethan.
Hold my gun.
Guys, if you got the BB's right there.
Look how close that was to coming out.
Ooh. Ethan, try to get it out.
I know, it was very easy.
Guys, look. The BB is right there.
Look, there's paint from where it chipped off. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.